Hi friends, I'm from Regrob.com and today in this video we are at Salarpuria Laurel Heights project which is located on Hesaraghatta Main Road, Bangalore. This project is sprawled over 4.21 acres of land and consists of 8 number of towers with G+14 floors. It offers 2 BHK residential apartments. And now we'll give you the interior view of a 2 BHK model flat. So friends, this we have entered into the spacious living room. Over here you can see an attached balcony. Here is the dining area. And this is the view of open modular kitchen. Very well crafted. And here is a separate utility area. Here you can see the fantastic interior work has been done. Now this is the common washroom of this model apartment. And now we have entered into the first bedroom of this flat with lavish interior decoration. The spacious bedroom, skillfully designed for the comfort of the resident, and here is the second bedroom. Very well crafted. So friends, in this video we have given you the interior view of a 2 BHK model flat. Hope you like this video. So thank you friends for watching the video. For more fresh real estate updates, kindly subscribe to our channel, and for site visit enquiries you can call us at the number given in the description. Thank you.